Every core Vue.js concept from this series, components, props, computed, vModel, composables, and transition, comes together here in one real, working recipe finder app built up live, one genuine piece at a time. A real composable owns the actual recipe data. Any component that calls useRecipes reads from this same real array. This real child component receives one recipe as a prop and genuinely emits its real ID back up when clicked. Filtered is a real computed value. It genuinely narrows the recipe list live as the search ref changes. vModel drives the real search box, and transition group animates real cards in and out as filtered genuinely changes. OpenRecipe genuinely updates selected ID from the real at select payload, and selected recipe derives the full real recipe object from it. The real detail modal teleports outside the card list entirely, showing the genuine selected recipes tags. Every concept from this entire series, components, props, emits, computed, vModel, composables, transition, and teleport, now genuinely works together as one real app. Across this series you learned components, reactivity, composables, and teleport as separate individual pieces. Here, all of it comes together into one real, working recipe finder, structured exactly the way a genuine Vue project would be, built up one real piece at a time. That's the whole series, from your first component to a real, complete Vue.js app. Go build something with it.